EasiCrisp is a laminate, so it's a metallized polyester film that's laminated to a paper using an adhesive that will obviously withstand the temperatures of cooking, which can be as high as 230 degrees C. EasiCrisp is commonly used for crisping and browning both chips and pizza products. A Warne became involved in Susceptor products. EasiCrisp is a Susceptor because the market was not being served well because of minimum order quantities as much as anything, and there were no stock holding. We carry stock and are prepared to take an order down as low as 20 kilos. Please contact us with regard to any application that you may have for our EasiCrisp Susceptor.